welcome back to my channel, and this is the very first Halloween tutorial that I've filmed this year. So I've gone for something a little easier than a full-on face. So this is something you could wear to a party, you could wear it fancy dress if you wanted to, you could wear it to take kids trick-or-treating. It's just one of those looks that you can wear without having to change your entire outfit. So you could wear any outfit with this. It doesn't have to be a certain look like a clown, when you have to have like a clown outfit on, or a zombie, you know what I mean. This is very universal. I think that's the word I'm looking for. So you could do this on your kids, you could do it on yourself. It's very easy, it's very effective, just pretty. I think it screams Halloween. We've got the oranges, the purples, the greens, and then obviously we have a few bats up here and a cobweb down there. So it's something very simple, something easy. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you want to know how I achieve this look, then stay tuned, and don't forget to leave me a big fat thumbs up at the end. I don't know how many tutorials I'm going to be doing this year, due to being due to pop at the end of this month. I don't know how many I'm going to fit in, but I'll try my best to do a few more for you, even if it's just eye makeup looks. You know I love this stuff. I live for October. Thank you for watching, take care, and I hope you enjoy this video. Bye.